Now, I'm going to keep going there. Let's talk about this. This is just sort of a history of the SO systems again. Again, 44 years ago, we started and leading the industry in the way we imagine, create, and produce products. It started way back here at Gen 1. This was actually before SOLIDWORKS days. This was the CATIA world back in 81. And that was Gen 1. Then we went to Gen 2, where we started to create, and it's because you guys try to keep on making more and more complex products and get into more and more detail. So we needed to up it, right? Now we're putting in everything. We're putting in systems, piping, plumbing, you name it. It's going in as a digital mock-up of your entire product. Now with all that data, we needed something to help us manage that better. So we got into the PDM environment, the PDM gen. Fourth generation was PLM. So now we're, again, expanding out further to connect more and more data and more peoples and processes. Then we get into the whole virtual twin conversation. And then through acquisitions, getting into the bio side of things, we actually got in virtual twinning of humans. Last, time is flying. Actually, it was 2 Februaries ago, I guess. We launched our Gen 7, which is our 3D universe. So if you're looking for any information on AI and generative experiences, try searching on that. So 3D universes. We break that down into 7 pillars. We're not going to cover all of them today. We're going to focus on 2 main ones, and that's the generative experiences, so that AI-driven design. And we're also going to talk about virtual companions, having that intelligent assistant there by your side.